So we are taking new chapter, real numbers of class 10th, real numbers. Now first of all we will discuss about the divisibility of a number. Divisibility. A non-zero integer a non-zero integer non-zero integer a is said to divide an integer b, is said to divide an integer b if there exists an integer c such that b equal to ac. Here b is called dividend, integer a is called divisor, and c is called quotient. For example, 3 divides 24 because there is an integer 8 such that 24 equal to 3 multiplied by 8. However, 3 does not divides 28 because there does not exist an integer c. There does not exist an integer c such that 28 equal to 3 into c. So if a non-zero integer a divides an integer b, then we write a divides b. So this is read as a, this is the sign divides b. We will write a for that b is not divisible by a, so a does not divides b. This is the symbol for a does not divides b. Now we will start with the topic real number. In this we will discuss about the theorem Euclid division lemma. Now what is Euclid division lemma? First we will discuss about this Euclid division lemma. Now before studying the Euclid division lemma, first we will discuss about the term lemma. Now what is lemma? So lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove another statement. So lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove another statement. For example, suppose we will divide example 58 is divided by 9. If we divide 58 by 9, then by the long process we will divide like this. So 9 divided 9 6 times 54, so remainder is 4. So we can write 58 is equal to 9 multiplied by 6 plus 4. Now here 58 is dividend 9 This is divisor, 6 quotient, and 4 is remainder. 4 remainder. So the division algorithm is dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Dividend equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So Euclid division lemma is depend on this division algorithm. So the statement for Euclid division lemma: Euclid division lemma. Now Euclid division lemma is, let a and b be any two positive integers, be any two positive integers, then there exist unique integer q and r such that a equal to bq plus r. Now r is greater than equal to 0 and less than b. R is greater than equal to 0 and less than b. Now here a is dividend, b is divisor, q is quotient, and r is remainder. Now r must be less than b divisor. Now we will take some example on Euclid division algorithm. Take some example on Euclid division lemma. First example: prove that any positive integer is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2 for some integer q. Now solution: let a be any positive integer. Let a be any positive integer and b equal to 3. So a is equal to 3q plus r. So r must be greater than equal to 0 and less than 3, which implies that r must be either 0 or 1 or 2. So a will be equal to 3q plus 0 or a equal to 3q plus 1 or a equal to 3q plus 2 for some integer q. This we have to prove. Next example: prove that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3.
Now solution:
let a be any odd positive integer. Let a be any odd positive integer and b equal to 4. So a will be equal to 4q plus r by Euclid division lemma, but r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Therefore a equal to 4q plus 0, a equal to 4q plus 1, a equal to 4q plus 2, and a equal to 4q plus 3. But a will be equal to 4q plus 1 or a equal to 4q plus 3 because a is an odd integer. A is an odd integer. Therefore, a must not be equal to 4q or 4q plus 2. Because a is an odd positive integer, so a must be equal to either 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Next problem. Prove that square of any positive integer, square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. For some integer, let x be any positive integer, then it is of the form 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now x equal to 3q. Now squaring x square equal to 9q square. It can be written as x is equal to 3 multiplied by 3q square. Now let m equal to 3q square. So x square equal to 3m. So this is case first. Now case second. X equal to 3q plus 1. Again squaring both sides. X equal to 3q plus 1 का whole square. So x square equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. X is equal to 3 is common from first two take common 3 from first two elements. So this will become 3 multiplied by 3q square plus 2q plus 1. So let m equal to 3q square plus 2q. So this will be equal to x square equal to 3m plus 1. Case third. X is equal to 3q plus 2. Now again squaring both sides. So x square equal to 3q plus 2 का whole square. So x square equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4. So x square equal to 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. So we will write 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. Now take 3 common from the first 3 elements. So it will become 3 multiplied by 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Therefore x square equal to 3m plus 1. Hence x is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1. Now next problem. Use Euclid division lemma. Use Euclid division lemma to prove that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8 for any positive integer q. For any positive integer q, let x is any positive integer let x is any positive integer, then it is of the form 3q or 3q plus 1 or 3q plus 2. Now case first, x is equal to 3q plus 3q. Now cubing both sides, x cube, this will be equal to 27q cube, x cube. Now take common 9, so 9 multiplied by 3q cube, so this will be equal to x cube equal to 9m. Now case second, x is equal to 3q plus 1, again cubing both sides, x cube equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube, which is equal to x cube equal to 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1, which is equal to, now take common 9, take 9 from the first 3 element, so 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. Now let m equal to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. So therefore x cube is equal to 9m plus 1. Now case third, x is equal to 3q plus 2. Now again cubing both sides, x cube equal to 3q plus 2 ka whole square. So this is equal to 27q, 3q plus q 2 ka whole cube. So this is equal to 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Now again taking common 9 from the first 3 elements, so 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Again let m equal to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So this will be equal to 3m plus 8. Therefore x is the form, so cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8.